Today we're moving the car stereo from a 2017 Nissan Sentra. This is very similar to the 2013-14 Sentra, except for the trim panel has a little bit different design on it that goes around a different stereo. But the aftermarket kit, wire harness, and antenna adapter remain the same through the entire process. What we're going to do here is gently pry the front trim panel from the dash. Work our way around this. This is held in place with clips. These clips can be somewhat difficult to release. They do release with pull and pry pressure. Get the panel started and we can get this thing off here. There we go. This panel pulls back. It has little hooks on the side that go into the openings here, so when you pull forward you have to bend it back to release that hook through the opening. This is going to give access to the car stereo. We have 4 screws securing this car stereo to the dash. 2 here on the right and 2 on the left. We have the full library removal guides for this vehicle on our website, front door panel and rear deck speakers if you need help with replacing those speakers as well. This is a very similar removal to the 2013-14, again, like I said, except for the trim panel. The trim panel has a little bit different design here, and I mentioned that the aftermarket kit and wire harness and antenna adapter for installing your aftermarket stereo are the same for 2013 through 18. We also have the auxiliary jack here in the back on this one, and Bluetooth, of course, backup camera and so on. Once the screws have been removed, you can pull the car stereo from the dash. The little hooks, again, we have openings here on the side that fit little hooks on the back here on the side as well. Little hooks right here that the stereo has to be lifted up. Here we go. The little hook right here, the car stereo has to be lifted up and then pulled from the dash. This is going to give access to many connectors on the back. These connectors are all keyed. They fit one specific spot and they all have locks on them. The first has a lock here that you squeeze down to release. The second, a lock here you squeeze down, and so on across this. This will release all the connectors. The antenna has the jack on the side. This is how you remove a stereo from a 2017 Nissan Sentra. Hope this video has been helpful. See our website for other help, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe.